Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have admin access, so start in Pages, All Pages. Open the page you want a link from. Once done, decide whether you need a simple inline link, a button, or a menu item because each path changes where you click. Make sure to copy the target page slug or permalink now. You will paste it in the next steps. This prevents back and forth and saves time when editing the block or classic editor. Now create the actual link, highlight the anchor text, or select the button block if you want a clickable element. Paste the full permalink or type a leading slash plus the slug and select the suggestion. This ensures WordPress resolves the path correctly. For menus, go to Appearance menus, add the page item and position it where you want. Once the link is inserted, press Enter or click Apply. Preview to confirm it navigates to the intended page. Finish by previewing the page and testing the link in a new tab. Confirm the destination loads and anchors jump correctly. If you hit a 404, resave settings permalinks or clear any caching plugins. This often fixes lingering permalink issues. Make sure to use relative URLs for staging sites and absolute URLs for live production to avoid broken links. If problems persist, check for plugin conflicts by briefly disabling link-related plugins, then re-enable them one at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.